Welcome to oneHOWTO. Today we're going to teach you the archetypical roles for men and women when dancing reggaeton. When a man is leading, he will almost always open his legs and move in a swinging movement balancing from the right to the left. We do a little rocking motion, almost always remaining in the same place. When doing this move, he will always keep his hands around his partner's waist. It's a very basic step. When a woman is his partner, she will close her legs a little more and do the same swinging movement between the right and left. This will be to move, to move, to move, to move. Her arms will never go to the waist, but rather she will place them above at the height of the back and shoulders. So, 5, 6, 7, and we're moving. 2, 3, 4. This is one of the big differences. Let's now have a look at men leading. They will almost always accompany the woman. If the woman wants to make another movement, we don't stop the rocking motion we were doing before. Instead, we can take her hand and she can go for a walk away from her partner. She can take multiple turns and do another pose. Her partner will accompany her as she does so. Let's go with another step. The woman usually moves in a little more exaggerated way than the man. Her partner can make downward and inclined movements in such a way that the woman's dance looks more sensual and provocative. The man can accompany her with his hands on the waist and continue to respond to her steps. We hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. Like and subscribe for more reggaeton dance tutorials to come, and we'll see you next time.